Hello, my name is Tim Edwards and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson I want to teach you how to play the chord A major. A major. So let's get started. So that's the sound of A major. Okay. This chord is played different ways by different people. I'm teaching you probably the easiest way to learn how to play A major. You have 3 fingers all crammed into 1 fret. But place finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, and then try to squeeze finger number 3 on the 2nd string also on the 2nd fret. So they're all kind of in there together, and I found this is a way to get all fingers to kind of fit into the 1 fret. And then be sure this very bottom E string is not touched so it'll ring out, and then you can play strings 5 on down. That is A major. Some people will place these fingers in a row, like placing finger number 1 on the 4th string, finger number 2 of the 3rd string, finger number 3 of the 2nd string. So some people will play A like that. But if you have fat fingers like I do, it's a little bit easier to go ahead and change these finger number 1 and 2 out. That way you can kind of squeeze them in together there and play the A chord. Another way that I play the A chord quite often is just kind of simply using a bar. I use my middle finger and kind of bend it like you see here, and just place it on strings 2, 3, 4, and bend it so that bottom string will still ring out. You have to put quite a bit of pressure on there, but that's something I've got used to transitioning. Okay, so that's another way that you can play A major. So again, in review, place finger number 1 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 of the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret, and then strum strings 5, which is A string, on down. That is the A major chord. Okay, to learn how to play other guitar chords, be sure and visit the playlist in my description below. Also, if you like this video, be sure and hit the like button afterwards. If you're not a current subscriber, subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscription so I can easily be found, and you'll also be notified when new videos have been uploaded. So have a great day. God bless you.